Hey babes, it's Bria. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an amazing day. And if you're not, whatever you're going through, just know that it will be okay and God will see you through. I promise it will be okay. You will be just fine. So today we're going to do a DIY hair mask. Now this hair mask will stimulate hair growth and also it will pop these curls back like so. Give you these curls back, okay? So before I get a little too chatty, I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right into it. Okay, so this is what we're starting with. Yikes, I know it's dry, brutal, and we just can't have that. And honestly, I've been working out, I've been wearing my baseball cap, and my hair, my roots are just like so thick, and it's kind of like it's stuck to my roots. And you know, we just can't have that. So let's get it together right now. So I actually gave myself this mask a month ago. I wanted to share these visuals with you guys. And I straightened my hair then, but I am not going to straighten my hair today. Instead, I'm going to be giving myself a slick back curly ponytail. And this mask left my hair nourished, soft, very manageable. And since then, I've been using a lot of heat, which we all know can be extremely damaging. So let's fix that today. My first ingredient is an egg. Eggs can make your hair strong and prevent breakage. It can also restore your natural oils and promote hair growth and clean and purify the hair. It adds volume. My next ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil slows down hair loss. It adds moisture to dry, brittle hair. Next, we're going to add some honey tea. And last but certainly not least, we're going to add some black Jamaican castor oil. The blacker, the better. I have already melted a tablespoon of my coconut oil. Of course, you cannot see it because it's clear. So now I'm just going to add my castor oil, add a tablespoon of my castor oil. And I don't normally use this brand, but it will work just as fine. Castor oil boosts hair growth. It repairs split ends. And it's my overall secret for my hair growth. Like, this is it, y'all. I'm telling y'all. Coming in with a tablespoon of honey. Honey improves the health of your hair follicles. It's overall a great conditioner that smooths your hair, and it tends to make your hair scalp healthier and stimulates the hair growth. Overall, honey is great, and not to mention, it is delicious. So now I'm going to be mixing these ingredients up really well. And if I did not mention, if you do not have castor oil, you can always sub it for olive oil. But I prefer castor oil, but it's your choice. And this powerhouse concoction is going to nourish the hair extensively. Now look at there, this is how it should be looking, and I hope you guys are following along. And if you are, go ahead and drop a comment and tell me how you guys like the mask. I would really like to know once you apply it to your hair. So my final yet most important, look at me trying to be all careful, yet most important ingredient, girl, just put it in there. My most important ingredient is the egg. So I'm just going to whip it together. I'm getting that baby right. And guys, please make sure that everything is fully mixed together. You don't want to leave anything out. So just keep stirring, keep stirring. And yeah, this is the outcome of my mask. You know, it's pretty consistent. I'm overall pleased. So I hopped in the shower to remove all the dirt and oils from my hair. It's time to apply. I'm just going to stir it once more, and it kind of smells like squash. I know I'm weird, but it's totally fine. Now I'm just applying it, starting at the very ends, and I'm going to work my way up to the top of the roots. You guys seen my ends, so you know that I need it. Now, my eyes are pretty red. That's because, as I stated before just now, I hopped in the shower, so the water has my eyes red, per usual always. I am applying a generous amount to my roots as well, working my way back down. Look at me looking so serious, like I cannot take it. I'm on the other side, starting at the bottom. As I did on the other side, I'm going to do the same to this side. I'm starting at the bottom, and I'm going to work my way up to the top. And yeah, just going to get it in there. I'm all done applying the hair mask to my hair. I'm going to be applying a shower cap. And if you don't have a shower cap, you can always use a plastic bag, honey. You can always use a plastic bag. Now, God, look at me looking so serious. Like, I'm focused. I cannot take how focused I am. Now I'm just wrapping my hair around and I'm going to be securing it with my shower cap. I'm going to be wrapping my hair with a towel to get that good deep conditioning. And you know, I will recommend that you guys leave this towel on, well, the mask in, I'm sorry, for at least an hour and minimum 30 minutes. So I'll see you guys in an hour. So I'm back like I never left. And I'm just going to be removing my cap off my head, and automatically I noticed that the hair was a little, hard, and that's because of the egg that has dried up. So now I'm just going to rinse the mask off to see the outcome. So, okay, my curls are coming in. I did add my conditioner in and some gel. So, yeah, those curls are popping back out. They're coming in and I can finally see some restoration. Yes, so I'm prepping my hair to put it in a slick back pony and I'm about to style. So that's about it on the process with the hair mask. My curls did come back in. They are popping and I'm ready to style. So I went ahead and styled my hair. This was a simple and cheap DIY. This was my final result. So you guys can see that I got my curls back and I am extremely happy because of that. And I also added a tad bit of length to my ponytail. So this is the style that I went for. Let me see if I can give you guys a better visual. The ponytail is fairly long. I will try to insert some pictures for your enjoyment. I enjoyed making this style. I enjoyed yeah, the outcome of everything, the length and everything, and just to restore my hair. It needed it. You guys seen that. So thank you guys for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. Until another day, guys, I will see you guys on my next video. Peace out.